Okay, pretty serious topic right here today. We're gonna talk about how to get photography clients, and this is gonna be a long series because I cannot cover every subject in one video, that would be too long. And today we're gonna focus on how to showcase your photography work online to get more clients. So let's start with the first point, which is Instagram. Even though Instagram showed us recently that they are not an image sharing platform anymore,
no longer a photo sharing app or a square photo sharing app.
It's still a great place to be on Instagram because most of the brands and most of your potential clients are on the platform. That's why it is important for you to be there and to showcase your best work. More than that, Instagram, it's also a great way to connect with people and to connect with other creatives, because you never know, they might have some jobs for you in the future, or you might need to create a team in order to shoot a specific project, like a commercial shoot, for example. Or someone might need a second photographer for a wedding and they know that you're doing a good job and that they can trust you. Or it also happened like a few days ago, like someone was looking for a photographer because he couldn't do the job and he needed someone to replace him on this specific job. And remember that Instagram is far to be the only way to get clients, and I highly suggest you to start building a multiple social media strategy, because you never know, maybe Instagram wouldn't be there in a few years, and if you spend all of your time and energy to start building your community on Instagram, then you will be left with nothing. That's why I recently started to post daily on TikTok, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Talking about LinkedIn, that's currently my favorite platform at the moment. And yeah, I would have never thought about saying that one day. I've been posting for a few months regularly, maybe 2-3 times per week. And beside growing my community by doing posts and stuff like this, it has helped me to get more clients. I even got the chance to cover a sporting event in Sri Lanka last March, thanks to LinkedIn. So why you should consider to use LinkedIn to get more clients? Well, most of the professional and the companies do have a profile on LinkedIn, and that is why, in my opinion, this is the platform to be at the moment if you want to showcase your work, because you can directly reach these really important people that you want your work to be seen by. And trust me, it is no longer the boring platform that you probably known a few years ago. It has completely changed, and I really enjoy spending time on this platform because a lot of freelancers, for example, are sharing their experience and sharing like valuable content. And valuable content, actually, you know what, that's probably the key if you want to grow your community on LinkedIn. So if you are getting started with LinkedIn, I really recommend you to spend some time on it just to understand how does it works. Then you can start adding everyone you know from your network on LinkedIn. Also take some time to read the post of other people. This will really help you to get some inspiration and get to know what is working and what is not working. So once you have a multiple social media strategy, I really recommend you to have your own website, a place where to showcase your best work, your services, and your story. And if you don't have any clue on how to build your website on your own from scratch, like me, don't worry, because there's so many website builders online available. So you just have to find one and to choose the one who suits your needs. And today I wanted to talk about Zaro, which is the sponsor of today's video. Zaro is not only a website builder, that's the most affordable and easy to use on the market. Zaro provides you a fast website loading speed, and that's very important when it comes to photography, because we have to upload lots of images and you don't want to lose your clients' answers on your website because it's too slow. The 24/7 live support chat is really great, because at the beginning I had some difficulties to connect my domain from OVH to Zaro, and I could just ask them a question and they solved the problem very quickly. They also offer you a 30-day money-back guarantee, but I'm pretty sure you will not need it. They also offer you the possibility to have an online store inside your website, and that's so great for us photographers. We can simply sell our prints, for example, or even our presets. Zaro came at the perfect moment because I needed a new website. I didn't want to put my wedding photography on my main website, which is related to outdoor landscape landscape and commercial projects. I needed another place where I could put all this stuff. To get started with Zyro, I first chose a template, the one called Isla, which is perfect for wedding photography. And if you are looking for some cool templates to start with, I really recommend you these ones. Isla and Tapia for wedding photography related. Milen for more like a lifestyle outdoor photography. To finish, Knap for more like a landscape outdoor photography. But of course, feel free to check and feel free to choose the one who fits your needs. Remember, that's just a base, so feel free to personalize everything. Your website has to be unique, so make it unique. What I enjoy the most about Zyro is how you can personalize everything and so easily. I also really enjoy like all the fonts that they put into the website. It's crazy. Like I haven't tried every font, but I think it would take me a whole day. The drag and drop system, in my opinion, is fantastic. It's so practical and so easy to use, and you can get the render you're looking for just by sliding some stuff around. It's so great. And in the end, in less than 1 hour, I got a really solid base of what I wanted my website to look like. And of course, this is not finished. I will probably do some more change as I want my website to be unique and to look like me. So I will spend some more hours to really get into details and choose the right fonts, choose the right colors, put the right text and everything. I don't know if my website will be finished by the time I upload this video, but if I do, I will put you the link in the description below. So if you have been waiting to build your website, this might be the right time to start building it. There's currently a crazy offer that you cannot miss, trust me. For a limited time only, get an exclusive discount using my promo code Dylan and save hundreds of euros on your website every year. In addition to that, you will get the 3 months for free and a free domain for a year. Let's say that you're still not ready to get your website. So what you could use and what I would recommend you to use is Behance. Behance is a platform for creators, so you might not see any of your clients on this platform, but it will help you to showcase your projects to clients in a professional and nice way. More than that, Behance is a really good tool for creators because it allows you to find tons of projects of photographers and build some inspirational mood board. This can really help you to find some ideas, inspiration when it comes to a project. The last point is about Malt. So Malt might not be available worldwide, but I'm pretty sure that if you live in France, Belgium, Germany, the Netherlands and Spain, you might have heard about it, or if you don't, you might have to consider to go on Malt and create a profile. So what is Malt? Malt, it's a platform who connects companies who are looking for freelancer. So let's say that a company is looking for a corporate photographer in Paris. So they will go on Malt, they will tap corporate photographer in Paris, and they will see all the profiles that are matching what they need, and they will probably see your profile as well. So I really encourage you to take some time to create your profile on Malt because it's really important when it comes to description. For example, they're using like a keyword system, so I think it's really important that you choose your word very well because it will help you to get in front of more clients. There's actually a photo section where you can showcase your best works, and I really encourage you to do some photo collage for every of your project as you are limited in the number of photos that you are uploading on the platform. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy doing it. If you have any question, of course, feel free to ask them down below in the description. I will be more than happy to reply to you guys. Of course, I do not know everything. This is just 5 ways I think might work for you, but if you do have some more ideas on how to showcase your work online to get more clients, feel free to put it in the comments down below. And I hope to see you soon for another video, and I'm looking forward to continue this series because there's a lot of things to say and to talk about it. See you soon, guys.